Ever wondered if you need to empty your savings account just to dip your toes into the world of charting and analysis on Tradingview? Is there a secret handshake, or perhaps a minimum fortune, required to access those beautiful, interactive charts and powerful trading tools? It's a question many aspiring traders and investors ask, and it's a valid one, especially when you're just starting out and every penny counts. The perception might be that professional-grade platforms demand professional-grade capital. You see all these advanced features, the real-time data, the community insights, and you naturally assume there's a hefty barrier to entry. But here's where it gets interesting. Tradingview itself doesn't actually have a minimum deposit in the traditional sense. Let's break this down. Tradingview is primarily a charting and analysis platform. Think of it as your high-tech dashboard for monitoring the financial markets. It's where you analyze price movements, apply indicators, backtest strategies, and even connect with a vast community of traders. However, Tradingview isn't a broker where you deposit funds directly to trade. Instead, Tradingview integrates with numerous online brokers. These are the entities where you do deposit your money to actually execute trades in the live market. So, the minimum deposit isn't a Tradingview requirement. It's a requirement set by the specific broker you choose to link with your Tradingview account. This is a crucial distinction. Tradingview offers a range of plans, including a robust free tier. Yes, you heard that right, a free plan. The free plan gives you access to basic charting features, a limited number of indicators per chart, and various market data. It's a fantastic starting point for anyone looking to get familiar with the platform and conduct basic analysis without spending a dime. Of course, it comes with ads and some limitations on advanced features, but it's more than enough to get you started. If you decide you need more advanced tools, perhaps more indicators, multiple charts per tab, or an ad-free experience, Tradingview offers paid subscriptions: Essential, Plus, Premium, Expert, and Ultimate. These plans provide progressively more features, from enhanced charting capabilities to deeper historical data and more alerts. But even with these paid plans, you're paying for the platform's features, not for the ability to deposit money into a trading account. When it comes to the actual trading, the minimum deposit will vary significantly depending on the broker you select. Some brokers integrated with Tradingview might allow you to open an account with as little as $0 or $10. Others, especially those catering to more active or professional traders, might require initial deposits of a few hundred or even a few $1,000s. For example, some brokers might have a $100 minimum deposit, while others could be $200 or more. Some even offer micro or nano accounts that enable you to start with very small amounts, sometimes as low as $10. So, to answer the initial question directly, Tradingview itself doesn't have a minimum deposit. The minimum deposit will depend entirely on the broker you choose to connect to Tradingview for live trading. Do your research, find a broker that aligns with your trading goals and capital, and then enjoy the powerful analytical tools Tradingview provides. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.